What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to be looking at the strangest Oreo flavors. And let's start with kettle corn. Why is that a thing? Sour Patch Kids? Why? Colorful inclusions, more like compatible inclusions. Watermelon Oreo. Spam? No. Red Velvet Oreo. S'mores. Ritz Oreos. Jelly donut. Root beer float. Blueberry pie Oreos. Ramen Oreos? Ew. Cheeseburger Oreos? Turkey Oreos? Are we serious? Cracked dinner? No. 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 Mystery Oreo. You don't get to know what's in it. Cheetos? Healthy Oreos. For the uninitiated, these are broccoli Oreos. The worst kind to ever exist. Water Oreos? Is that a thing? Pickles? What is the intention behind here? College Oreos? Wait, what? Do those contain broccoli as well? And mac and cheese? No! Lemon Oreos? Churro Oreos? That sounds both problematic and entertaining at the same time. Toilet water? No! No! Just no! It's disgusting! Candy cane Oreo. Lime pie Oreo. Green tea? No! 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 This looks AI generated, but still. Bagel Oreos? That's special. Toxic waste? Peppermint? Banana split? That's special. Tide? What? Why? Instagram Oreos. Swedish fish. That sounds disgusting. Cotton candy. Doritos? What? Onion Coca-Cola? What? What? Taco Oreos? And with that, folks, we come to the end of another grueling, disgusting video. Let me know what strange Oreo combinations you have in the description below.